Good evening, everyone. Myself Maloy. Today I am going to discuss about the practical problem related to sampling techniques. So here in this PDF there are 5 practical problem related to sample survey. Some problems are from generation of random sample, two from stratified random sampling, and the uh, last one is also from stratified sampling, and the fourth one is ratio and regression estimates. So let's discuss from the beginning. Come to the first problem. Here what is the question? Here we have to draw a random sample of size 7 from exponential distribution, okay, whose mean is 2.35. So for the first problem, what I have to do, this is the random number table. We have to draw random number using this random number table. In the exam hall you will be provided by this random number table. So come to the first problem. For the first problem we have to know the PDF of exponential distribution. So the PDF of exponential distribution is 1 by theta e to the power minus x by theta, where theta greater than 0 and the range of distribution is x from 0 to infinity. Okay. uh, Again, for generation of random sample we have to know about the CDF also. So that we know the CDF can be computed using the formula from minus infinity up to x f of x dx, and here our f of x is of the following form. So putting the value, I am writing directly the result. So here I get the result is about 1 minus e to the minus x by theta, or putting the value 1 minus e minus x to the power 2.345, which is a PDF. Now we know the random variable of the CDF follow a uniform rectangular distribution, which is of parameter 0 to 1. So evaluating from u is equal to f of x, where u is equal to 1 minus e to the minus x by 2.345, or e to the power minus x by 2.345 is equal to 1 minus u, or taking log on the both sides we get minus x by 2.345 is equal to ln 1 minus u, or x is equal to minus 2.345 into ln 1 minus u. Xi is equal to ln u minus y. Now for random sample of size 7 we have to draw random numbers from the random number table. Using the random number table we have to draw 7 random numbers. The random number table will be provided to you at the examination hall. So let taking the first row and first column, we have to draw 3-digit random number. Okay, this is a 3-digit random number. I am marking this. So putting the value in the table, we get the random numbers are 1 3 3 9 1 3 9 6 2. These are the 5. These are the 7 random number I have drawn using the random number table. Now putting it to the decimal place. Why we are putting this decimal place? Because it must be ranges from 0 to 1, and between the 0 to 1 we are using the decimal to convert it. So it becomes 0.139, 0.62. Now these are the random number, that is ui. So we have to make a table. We can name the table as generation of random number from exponential with parameter theta is equal to 2.345. The first column is serial number, second one is ui. Ui are the values of the random that I have drawn, and finally xi, which is equal to minus 2.345 ln 1 minus ui. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 0.139, 0.627, putting the value like this, and lastly 0.530. Now minus 2.345 into ln 1 minus 0.139 minus 2.345 into ln 1 minus 0.627, like this, minus 2.345 into ln 1 minus 0.530. So these are the random numbers we have drawn from exponential with parameter theta is equal to 2.345. Okay.